I'll admit the current state of the American mind, as it seems to me, seems to be infatuated with the meaningless and caught in the grip of luxury and accommodation and mindlessness. But I have a higher calling and a higher ideal and a higher look at the people that populate this country, and I don't think they're these foolish, mindless beings that we perceive them as. We've been anesthetized by our media, the deluge, and we've also been told how to think, and we've also been shown how we think by people that don't even ask us how we think. Now, am I asking for a revolution? No. Am I asking for one now? No. Am I happy with the society? No. Is this place terrible? Yes. Does the government and the ideals? Yes, they look good on paper. Have they ever really been truthful? No. So many no's. But then, yes, one thing I agree with is that we should take our lives and hold it dear and love our girlfriend and love our homes and love the people around us and make a true, enriched life. Can we talk about revolution? Yes. Can we talk about how angry we are? Yes. Do we need to use profanity and sit here and stump and use sensationalism and become kind of pundit? Well, if that's how you want to handle it, fine, that's your deal. Is it necessary? Not in my opinion. It's amazing how some people just put some people up on another pedestal and let them speak for them. I don't want to carry a banner for anyone. I don't want to be your spokesperson, but I do want people to think, and I do want people to act, and I don't want them to be so simple. Don't be simple, people. Don't be so simple.